Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, there's not a lot going on in the markets. The US dollar is going up a little bit, but today the real focus is probably on the Aussie dollar, right? We've got the RBA rate decision, a 0.25% cut is fully factored in. But and with that factored in, the main action will be the RBA press conference. I think it's about 45 minutes after the event, right? Got the CAD Ivy PMI numbers later on. That's a pretty good number if you're looking at the CAD. But the RBA is the focus, right? And if I come into the charts here, just having a look, right? There's a few things going on, like Sterling Aussie sideways, right? Aussie CAD, well, it is sort of breaking down a little bit of a gap there. It's got a downward bias, that's for sure, but it's not really kicking into gear. Aussie yen just tweaking away, if anything, slightly higher with dollar yen going up. Aussie Swiss. Now, this is it, right? Euro Aussie, Aussie Swiss. Well, my pen's gone a little bit skew-if there. These are the two pairs I like the best. They are trading or trending very well. Okay. The Aussie Kiwi, the Widowmaker, it always looks like it's going to go, but it just never does, right? And usually takes you out. So just looking at the where the opportunities are there, if you come down and look at the live trade signals, I like the euro across the board, right? Because it's outperforming Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi, Euro CAD, Euro Yen, right? It's going up, right? So Euro Kiwi, Euro Aussie is very appealing to me. And with that, right, the other side of the hand, so to speak, if you're trading Euro Aussie and getting long, well, you're definitely getting short Aussie Swiss. It's just the reverse. And the good thing is Aussie Swiss, the points are much bigger, right? So you're going to make more money when it does kick into gear. The only issue is, right, when you're looking at the markets right now in the sort of not quite the middle of the Asia session, we don't have the right signal, right? It's going down. We need a sell signal there. And for Euro Aussie, we do need a buy signal. Now, with the RBA coming up, this is where you got to understand the fundamentals, right? Because from what I hear, there's 3 interest rate cuts getting factored in, right? Now, if they come out in this press conference and are very dovish, well, that works quite well, obviously, for Euro Aussie up and Aussie Swiss down. That's what you're looking for. But you've got to know what to look for and when to look for it. So check out after the press conference, right? This is where you can actually sort of come in and get a bit of an understanding of what's going on. It comes out at 3:30 Sydney time, right? So that's where the action is. Like there is some companies or whatever banks calling for no cut, but a cut is fully factored in. So don't worry about that. If they don't cut rates, well, Aussie will go up. But it's the press conference, right? That's the main action. And right at the moment, if you look at the signals, there's no active trades. We are waiting for the event, right? And that's all you have to do. There's no rush. You just wait for the opportunity. If we get a dovish RBA, you'll see that because we will start to see Euro Aussie will be going up, Aussie Swiss will be going down. And to me, these are the 2 best trades today. We've just got to wait for the alert. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.